How is the effect? Want to know how is it made? Come on, follow my lens to have a look whole production process. First, we will upload the desired graphics into Kollatrr slicing software, setting the printing parameters. Then, printing the set file through Kollatrr with advertising letter 3D printer. For specific operations, please see our previous video. Actually, the whole production process is very simple. Now, our printer is printing the letter share. We only need to design the letter. The printer will automatically print according to our design. The letter share is printed OK. Then, be ready for the next step. Use this acrylic glue to fill in the printed letter share. Now, the letter share has been put on the curing machine. Let's see how it works. Isn't it simple? Turn on the curing box and let it cure. Next, ready to cut the bottom plate. The cutting of the bottom plate is complete. Same time, letter share is almost curing complete. Open the curing box. Pour water into the bottom of the letters and take out. Look at the fit between the newly cut bottom plate and the letter share. Fine, perfect. Let's install the LED strips on the cutted bottom plate. And don't have many base plates, but it is very simple to install. First, lay out the LED strips according to the graphics. After lay out the LED strip, fix the LED strip and the bottom plate by glue gun. Weld in LED strips with connecting wire. Punch holes in the bottom plate and pass out the connecting wires. The entire bottom plate is installed finished with the LED strips. Connect the power. Test the power status. No problem. Now we install all the bottom plates with the LED strips on the letter share. Turn power on and see the overall effect. Wow, the effect is really good. Okay, the whole production process is like this. Isn't it super simple, super cool?